You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these islands off the coast of New Zealand. If you want to learn more names of famous places in New Zealand, Kiwi places, stay tuned. There are more videos for you. Chatham is how to pronounce it. Chatham, yes, the spelling has TH, but it's pronounced just like a T. Chatham Islands. Chatham Islands. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.